Hi, in this video I will share you how to track phone call from Google Ad. For this setup we need to create a new conversion and you need to select phone call. Okay, so here you can see three options: call from ads using extension call only and call from your website, click on the phone number on your website. I will prefer call from ads using call extension. Just click this option and continue, and then you need to enter your conversion name. I just write here phone call tracking, then don't use value and every. I will select every and please continue option. Okay, and finally done. It is a very simple process. If anyone call us, then we can verify very easily. If you have if you want to track your website phone call tracking, then we need to use GTM. Here you can see there has a no call button, so we cannot we should not use this feature, another feature. So hopefully you understand this video how can track phone call how can track phone call very easily from your Google Ad. You can understand this video. Thank you so much for watching this video.